which looks like this. Some errors there, the video is weird. So onto the 128GB memory card, I can write with roughly 50-ish megabytes per second. It's moving up and down, so it's not too constant. This is the damaged card. If I use this one in the DJI Mini 2, the videos are constantly damaged, interrupted, corrupted. So with this card I did not get good results. Videos are constantly corrupted. Pins look okay. It is U3 rated. Here is the 3 inside that U below the 30. So that means that I should be able to write with 30 megabytes per second onto it. I'm writing with around 50 megabytes per second onto it, but for some reason the videos are corrupted, or at least my DJI Mini 2 does not like this card. And this one, it's a Samsung, it's also U3 rated. Onto this card I can write slightly faster, around 60 megabytes per second instead of 50, but the videos are not corrupted when I use this card. Copy a video file there. Speed is somewhat more constant. This green portion is not moving too much up and down, so the writing speed is more constant using this card, plus it's a little bit faster. So just because the card's write speed is high enough, it's U3, do a test flight first and check your video, because just because it's good on a computer, you can write on it at pretty high speed, it doesn't mean that it will work okay inside your drone. Fly around 1 or 2 minutes using another card and see if it's good enough, just like the older one. Check your final recorded video. Let's check the damaged video, which looks like this. Some errors there, and when the drone takes off, the video is weird and it's interrupted, so the filming is not continuous. In certain portions it's okay, like it is now, it stopped already. That's just a normal movement of a gimbal. I think it was windy, and then it stopped, it continues, it's weird. So those are the damages using the 128GB Patriot card. It's U3 rated, but it's not okay. And here's another video with the DJI Mini 3 drone. This used another memory card, which is okay. It's also a 128GB card, but these videos are not damaged. They are fluent. I inserted that memory card into this camera. It's a Sony A6300. Nothing unusual is shown on the screen. No problems are detected. But if I insert the memory card into the computer, the video is damaged. It's not fluent at all. So just because you don't see errors on the screen doesn't mean that the final video doesn't contain errors. The Mini 2 drone did not show any interruptions on the display. This did not show any interruptions, but let's check the video. And here is the video. Even the sound is damaged. Those tick 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 sounds. Plus there are some interruptions. There were some dots in the lower right corner. Those. So it's damaged. The Mini 3 has a Samsung card and it's working flawlessly. No problems. It's also U3 rated. It's worn, but it's working without any problems. Mini 3 has just the last hood.